Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome to my channel called Glamhairous. My name is Jeevna and I make videos on hairstyles, beauty and more. So today's video is about very easy and cute hairstyles on summer days. So yeah, without any further delay, let's get started with the video. Coming to the first hairstyle, I'm gonna take all my hair into a ponytail. Make sure you're doing a high ponytail. Divide your hair into two. Twist your right section on your right side and left section on your left side. Twist it like shown in the video. And then crisscross the twist. Don't take it under. Take your right section over the left section. And then repeat the same. Twist your right section on your right side and your left section on the left side. And then repeat the same. It's gonna be difficult in the starting, but when you get the good grip of it, it's gonna be very easy. Repeat the same by leaving a small section in the end. And then tie your hair like so. And we are gonna pull the braid to make it look voluminous. That's it for the first hairstyle, guys. This is gonna be very easy hairstyle for summer. For the second hairstyle, I'm gonna keep the ponytail the same and taking a small section of it, braiding it into 3-stranded braid. Repeat the same with another section of hair on your right side. Take a small section on your left side and braid it into 3-stranded braid. Make 4 to 5 of these braids. Make 2 braids with underside strands of your ponytail as well. And that's it for the second hairstyle, which is a normal ponytail, which looks very chic and very different due to our 4 to 5 strands of braids. Coming to the third hairstyle. Tie the rubber band 4 inches down to the first rubber band and pull the braid so that it gives a look of bubble braid. This is a different kind of bubble braid which looks very different and very chic in the summer days. This is how it looks. Tie one more rubber band 4 inches down and pull the braids. Repeat the step by leaving a small portion of hair at the end of the ponytail like we have done for our rope braid. That's it for the third hairstyle. This is gonna look very different when you try it. For the fourth hairstyle, take a middle part and take a small portion of hair in the front like so and braid it. And then repeat the same on the other side as well. If you want, you can tie the rubber band or else you can just back comb it to make it stay. That's it for the fourth hairstyle, you guys. This is a very easy hairstyle that only takes 5 minutes of your time. Coming to the fifth hairstyle, take a section like so and tie it with a hair tie. Repeat the same on the other side. This is our fifth hairstyle. This looks very easy and very cute. My eyeliner skills are growing, you guys. This eyeliner is looking very good on this outfit. For the sixth hairstyle, just crisscross your braids by wrapping it with your tiny ponytail. That's it for the sixth hairstyle. Very easy, right? I made 3 hairstyles with these 2 braids, so please do try it. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please do try these hairstyles, and also like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you in my next video.